Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what it is a digital kitchen scale that you can use to see how much certain things weigh in grams, kilograms, or whatever you guys want to. They have a lot of different measurement on here. But for this product itself, it's definitely really cool because of the fact that you guys can actually recharge it, or you can use a battery to power it up. So let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like before we test it out. So when you guys first open the product itself, this is basically what you guys get inside. So they provide you the 3 AAA batteries that you need to power up the product itself if you guys don't use the cable. They do provide you a USB to micro USB cable to use it to charge up the product if you guys don't want to use the battery option. Here we have the scale, and on the very bottom they do provide you a little instruction manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product and all the different functionality that's on here itself. And that's basically everything that's in the package itself. So let's take a look at the scale itself right here. So when we take it out, you can see that it's made out of stainless steel material right here. They have the unit button, they have the on and off button, they have the PCS, they have the tier option right here. You guys can see once I press the on button, it turns on immediately. So you guys don't actually need the battery because I don't have any battery inside right now. If you guys want to put in the battery though, you guys can put it in the back side right here. If you guys can see, there's 3 slots for you guys to put in your battery in here. And it uses a AAA battery like I mentioned earlier. On all 4 corners, you guys can see that they have the little anti-skid material, so that way it won't be moving around when you guys are balancing or checking the weight of your product and whatnot. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let's go test it out first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. You guys can actually use the cable to charge it, and the way how you guys charge it right here on the side, if you can see. So right there. So all you have to do is that once you guys fully charge it for like 5 to 6 hours, then it should be able to last you guys for 2 to 3 months. And you just turn it on like this. And it turns on, you see. So it says hello. And if you guys want to just test something on there, you can just put something on there and just like try out the weight and whatnot. So I'm just going to use pounds. Alright, so that's pounds. So I'm going to put this on here. It's a mouse. Alright, so that's how many pounds it is. If you guys want to change the unit, just click it to whatever you guys want to. So that's how much grams there are, that's how much ounce it is. Really fast result and whatnot. So if you guys want to, you can even tier it. So it goes 0, and then you guys can add more stuff on top of this. The product itself definitely works really well, definitely fast results. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself and the actual charging test itself. You guys can see that actually does work and it works quite well. I think the whole idea of how this is actually rechargeable is pretty amazing and stands out compared to like other kitchen scale out there in the market that cannot have the rechargeable option. Like literally all you guys need to do is charge this product for like 5 to 6 hours, and you guys can get up to like 2 to 3 months of usage on here. And I'll probably do like an update video to let you guys know how well it works as we use it more and more. But definitely as a first-hand perspective of using the product and trying it out, it's definitely really cool because of like everything I mentioned, how you guys have all the different units on here, which is really easy to use, pretty good material, and the main winner, like I mentioned, is the rechargeable option. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, like I would definitely have to say that it's worth it because of the fact that I'm gonna be using it a lot to like measure the amount of like ingredients to add for like baking stuff or cooking stuff or whatever. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have